In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your form submission settings to ActiveCampaign. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. The goal here is to make sure that once someone submits your form, their information is sent directly into your ActiveCampaign setup correctly. To begin, open your form settings and go to the area labeled After Submission. This is where you control what happens immediately after a form entry is completed. Inside that section, look for integrations and webhooks. That's the place where external connections are managed, including email marketing platforms and automation tools. Once you're there, find the integration option for ActiveCampaign. Depending on the layout of your platform, this may appear as a configuration module, an integration engine, or a selectable block in a list of available services. The important thing is to choose the ActiveCampaign option specifically so the system knows where you want your form data to go. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct integration target before moving on. Next, you'll need to enter your ActiveCampaign connection credentials. This usually includes your instance API URL and your secret key or API key. These details allow your form platform to communicate securely with your ActiveCampaign account. Make sure you paste each value into the correct field and double check for extra spaces or missing characters, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. If your platform offers a way to validate or test the credentials, it's a good idea to use it before continuing. After the connection details are in place, the next part is field mapping. This is where you tell the system how incoming form information should match the data inside your ActiveCampaign lists. For example, standard form fields such as name or email should be linked to the corresponding fields in your ActiveCampaign account. This step is important because proper mapping ensures your contacts are added in a clean, organized way and that your automations can use the right information later. As you map the fields, pay close attention to accuracy. If a field is connected to the wrong destination, your contact records may be incomplete or inconsistent. It's also helpful to review whether all essential form fields are matched before you finish. Once everything is set, your form will be prepared to send submissions into your ActiveCampaign lists automatically. That's the full setup process, and if you follow each part carefully, your integration should work smoothly and reliably.